Okay, so first concern is here. In a weekly webinar last week, so you say we can buy on the zone after shock create, but there are not lower time frame inducement taken. So it's still a valid entry because that I watched your new video yesterday. Then you said this is the first investment. Simply. Okay, at this point, correct. Yeah, absolutely. Actually, as I mentioned in a weekly webinar, and after chalk, the buy entry is actually SMT, correct? But we should wait for the inducement or sweep the order block before the buy, correct? So in this case, in a YouTube video, as I mentioned, break the low, break this order block, and then we can buy. So this buy is a better than this one. Okay, sometime this one is also work. Okay, but this one is more high probability. One market taken out the liquidity or sweep the means order block sweep the liquidity, which is actually work more than compared to this one. Okay, so here first one is here, and this entry is actually you can buy here, but this is not high probability entry, correct? But at this point, this entry is much better compared to this one. Why? Because market taken out the liquidity, taken sweep this order block. Okay, if same thing happen here like this, so this entry become high probability because this low act like inducement, tap on this and buy, correct? So this one is a valid entry. In this case, this one is a valid. If same thing happen here like this, so this entry also become high probability entry for the buy. But after chalk, direct you are buying, so also work, but not high probability entry. Okay. And the next question is, what is right idea inducement? Okay. So in this case, IDM is here. IDM means a recent structure. Okay. And you mark this structure, and these things most of the time happen in an index like S100, US30, and some stock. Okay. Because in index market move very slowly upside and then rapidly push downside and rapidly go higher, right? So this one is our break of structure. Okay, and this one is here. Okay, okay, if this one is a break of structure, okay, so this one become our new break of structure, and this is our structure, something like this. And so this can be your inducement. Okay, if this structure is not here, this is a single leg, so this one is also your inducement. First recent low is your inducement. Okay, and sometime what happened like this, sometime what happened, market taken out the this major structure, major inducement, which is here, taken out this inducement, then go higher. Okay, so it's a depend on the situation, and these things happen most of the time in indexes like NAS100 and US30. So in a forex market, in a forex currency pair, you have to mark this one. Okay, but you have to keep in your mind in a index if you are trading. Okay, so this one is your correct inducement. Why? Because this can be your two candles. Sometimes this move can be your two candles stick, normal pullback, and market taking out this and go higher. And now let me show you some quick example here, then you can understand clearly. For example, this one is your bullish structure. Okay, and in this bullish structure, what happened here, in a lower time frame structure move something like this. Okay, like this. Correct. So people get confused here, which inducement they should use, and sometime this one is an inducement or this one is an inducement. So at this point here, mark this structure. Okay, so this is your internal structure. Okay, and if you can see here, this is your internal inducement for this move. I'm sorry, here, and taken out this law, and after taking out this law, this minor inducement for the responsible to this move here, this law, and this move is here. But actually market need actual inducement, then market taken out the major law, which is here. Okay, so this is our internal structure, and these things happen most of the time in indexes only. US 30, NAS 100, this thing you can see, and I'm making a video about this concept. Okay, to learn that how you can actually refine your valid inducement and change of character. Because a lot of people are confusing in a inducement. Okay, so I will upload soon, as soon as possible, because it's take a little bit time, because I want to deliver you some actual good content. I'm not doing taking any decision in a like hurry. Okay, I'm looking for some good provide you good example, provide you good content which is actually will help you, and I'm understanding some receiving some questions answers, and then I will deliver you my best which will actually help you, that which is your best inducement or which one is not, and which inducement you should use for the market structure, like here. Okay, or this one or this one. Okay, and this one is a inducement or chalk. Okay, so it's take a few days. Okay, but I will make a separate video about this one, but you can understand like this. Okay, this one and this one, actually this is a move like this. Okay, so this one is your inducement for this bigger move. So market taking out this inducement and then go higher. Correct. Okay, which zone we can buy? The difference in the red line ellipse. Okay, higher time frame sweep. Correct. Chalk, lower time frame sweep can we buy at this zone, and higher time frame sweep chalk. Both are similar. And there is no difference between. Mhm. Oh, it's a little bit difference. Okay, so in this case, we can buy here. Let me draw this. Okay, so in this case, if market sweep this law, I mean taken out this law like this. Okay, so this become more valid, which you mentioned here. Okay, because market taken out this. Okay, so this one is a more valid, and this one is also can be valid because market taken out the higher time frame, sweep the higher time frame liquidity and change of character. Okay, but price must be sweep this law. This order block must be swept. If not, then buy below it. And this low act like inducement, buy on this extreme and then go higher. Correct. And in this case, we can buy here also, but price actually sweep the liquidity. Okay. Main thing is a liquidity. Structure is a secondary and liquidity is a primary, because liquidity create structure. Okay. So in this case, you have to pay attention here, like sweep the liquidity, then you can buy. Correct. So this one, now let's see. Am I right, sir? Normal order block. Okay. Inducement. We should wait for the inducement, then we can buy on this order block. Yes. In a or actually order block is not necessary. Main thing is a liquidity inducement. Once market taken out the inducement, then sometime what happened, market did not have any order block, but market go as per your plan, push higher and lower, because liquidity is a primary. Order block is not necessary to tap the, actually we use order block for the refundment. Okay, so order block is not necessary that must be mitigate and then we can buy or sell. No, main thing is taken out the inducement, taken out the liquidity. If market sweep the liquidity, there is a no need to wait for the like a uh, tap on the order block, and sometime not tap. Okay, because market not following any specific time frame. If you are looking a same picture in a 1 minute and someone looking same picture in a 15 minute, okay, and someone looking same picture, same chart in a 1 hour, 4 hour, everyone have a different view. Okay, so main thing is the inducement. Taken out the inducement is here, and we can buy. Yeah, taken out the inducement, tap on this order block, and we can buy. If market did not tap on this order block, just sweep this inducement and close above it. Okay, did not tap on this, and give any reaction is here on single candle. We can also buy here. You don't need to mitigate this order block. Okay, and in this case, yeah, sweep the liquidity. Yes, in this case, you don't need to wait for the inducement because market already taken out the liquidity. Okay, so this can be your valid entry, and this can be also valid. Okay. Okay, can you say more example about one single candle confirmation? I'm still confused about it. Actually, single candle mitigation work when market give reaction, like on your PY zone and lower time frame confirmation. Then we use 1 minute single candlestick confirmation here. For example, is here. Sorry. I'm sorry. This one is your chalk. Okay, and tap on this order block, and you can buy here. If market go higher and give next entry on a single candle, you can buy. And next time what happened, this candle sweep previous low, you can buy on the next candle, and you can stack multiple position. You have to apply single candle mitigation on uh, this zone. Okay, because this is a high probability zone when we are looking for the buy. Okay, okay. In the IFC example, it is necessary to take the entire candle or just actually in a IFC candle. IFC candle means which taken out the liquidity. Okay, so this candle taken out the previous low, so must close above it. If close above it, so this is an indication that market actually looking for the reversal. Okay, if market close below it, so I like here sweep and close above it, so we can buy here. Okay, if not like here and close below it, so this one is not like valid. Okay, then we need inducement before the buy. Okay, so you are saying in question number 3, both diagram we can buy, both has been with the liquidity. As I mentioned here, in a both diagram, price must be taken out the liquidity. I'm not suggesting you here to buy directly here because higher time frame liquidity sweep, but we need lower time frame liquidity also before the buy. Correct. So here, as I mentioned, price must be sweep this low, okay, and then go higher. And this one is a more valid. Okay, like taking out the previous low and close above it, and then we can buy. So this can be your high probability trade. Okay, so now let's switch into all right. So next question is here. Mhm. I don't think there is a no question here. Okay, so if anybody wanna ask any question, okay, you can write message in a chat box, or you can ask, unmute yourself.
सर हिंदी में पूछ सकता हूँ?
हाँ पूछो।
सर एक बात, अगर मैं 15 मिनट की कैंडल में मेरा स्ट्रक्चर आइडेंटिफिकेशन करना चाहता हूँ,
ओके
तो मैं कहाँ से स्टार्ट करूँ कि पहले चाहिए ना एक हाई और एक लो चाहिए, उसके बाद में मैं अगर देखता हूँ कि रिसेंट स्ट्रक्चर को आइडेंटिफिकेशन करना है मुझे, तो मुझे पहला हाई और पहले लो कौन सी वाला चाहिए, ताकि मैं उसके ऊपर अगर जाएगा तो बस मार्क करूँ या नीचे जाएगा तो चर्च मार्क करूँ?
देखो, एक्चुअली आई एम गिविंग यू एग्जांपल टू मार्क
सर इंग्लिश में बोलो।
okay, to start the marking structure, you have to start from, if market is a bearish, okay, you can understand that market momentum is a bearish or bullish, okay, then you have to start from top. Like in this case, market looks bearish, then you can start from top. This one is your highest, okay, and where is the boss and chalk, you can for example here, okay, suppose this one is your boss, okay, and if this one is your boss, this low inducement, this low, and this is a confirm here, so it means this is our range, okay. Now you can see here, boss taking out the inducement is here, okay, so it means market actually sorry, yeah, market is a momentum is a bearish, and this become our chalk because market was bullish, now turn into bearish, and this one is your first inducement is here, and now you can see clearly that this inducement and then was downside and again break the structure, so this will be continue in a break of structure. Okay, actually these things apply in every time frame, in a 15-minute, 5-minute, 1 minute, okay.
Okay,
If
sir. Thank you.
market is a bullish, then you have to start from bottom. Actually, find the which is turning point of the market. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. You don't need to go more like past here, 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 because these move can't decide this move. Okay. The current and present structure define your next move. Okay, because this structure can't define your, like this one is a bearish, okay, but these bearish structure can't define your current present move, okay. The present structure, present order flow, present price action can define, okay, can define your where is the next move possible, okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So if
Hey, Carl.
yeah.
Oh no, go ahead, bro.
Yeah, you can continue.
All right. Now I was asking, can you go over pound USD when it went from bullish to bearish, when the overall buying momentum switched to selling momentum? Can you go over that from last week?
In a pound USD.
Yeah, pound USD, correct.
Okay, let's check. This one.
Yes.
Yeah. Now you can repeat your question again.
Can you go over from when it went from buying momentum to switch to selling momentum?
You
Because
mean
I had go ahead.
you mean a higher time frame, like 4-hour daily?
15 minutes.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, so this one is your 15-minute structure. Okay.
Correct.
So in a 15 structure, right now we can see here. This was your last structure, which was actually boss. Okay, but actually, technically, this is not boss. Technically, this is a chalk. Why? Because before this was your actual boss is here. And after this, break the structure is here. Okay, because market taken out the inducement. Sorry. Here, taken out the inducement, push downside, new low, new high, break the structure, go higher, and taken out the inducement, create new structure is here, and again break the structure. And again, what happened here? Taken out the inducement, but break this major low. Actually, this move happened because market was bullish here. You can see long time market was bullish. So market taken out the 15-minute, like 15-minute taken out the low to mitigate something in a higher time frame, like maybe possible in a 4-hour or maybe 1 hour. Okay, and this low can be your 1 hour inducement, and then market go higher. Okay, so technically as per the 15-minute, this is your boss. Okay, and then what happened here? Market again break the structure, and this one is your chalk. Sorry, this one is a chalk. Okay, and then market was bullish, and this is a first sign, and again market create structure like this, and then push downside and taken out the inducement actually here. Okay, so this is a confirm high, and now range between this high and low. So in this case, we can buy after taking out the inducement. Okay, and on this order block, which is unmitigated, some minor imbalance, and the next one is around here. Okay, I think here something. Okay, this one. Yeah. Okay, so this one demand fail, and this is a demand fail, and which is an indication for the like market actually looking for the sell. Market structure has been changed here, and this one, first one, I think this one is a sweep. If market sweep the major high or low, we are looking for the buy or sell. Like in this case, market sweep the previous low. If sweep the low, so we can buy. If not, so we can't. So in this case, there is a no sweep. Okay, so finally market break the structure is here, close below it, and market shift bearish. So after break the structure, where is our inducement? Is here. Okay, market go higher, taken out this inducement, and then we can sell. First area of interest when we can sell after taking out the inducement. Okay,
Got you.
Okay. So there is any other question? Then I think we should start some back testing and for 30-40 minutes. Okay, so now let's read them. Which pair we should start back testing? GU, EU, or any other pair? The homework. Homework, I think I actually I gave homework for you, but you have to finish and complete the homework this weekend. And I change my schedule for homework because in a working days it's not possible for everyone to complete homework. So that's why I change something that everyone can homework in a weekend, like today and tomorrow, and you can finish and then you can submit. And the next weekend, okay, and next weekly webinar, we will discuss homework. Okay. I think last time, which pair? I think last time we have done Euro USD this phase backtesting. Okay. Okay. So USD CAD is not good for backtesting actually. EJ is not also good. GU EU is a good pair and gold also. Here taken out this low, taken out this low, and these are Y. Okay, and first mark the structure is here. Okay, I'm just marking the structure to understand thing that how market and why market push higher in a lower time frame. Through bar play, we can understand reason before the buy. Okay, in a lower time frame, and how we can take a decision. Okay, so this one is a structure is here because market taken out the previous low, and this is your become a boss, and again market break the structure is here and close above it here. So because at this point I think market create equal high. Okay, minor sweep. Okay, when market sweep the high, so we can take short term sell. Okay, till this low, but market give little bit reaction, but let's see what happened here in a lower time frame also. And then market go higher and close above it, so this was become our valid, and then push downside taken out this low and tap on this demand zone, which one is here, and we can buy here. Let's see what happened here on both point here and here. Okay, so let's see first this one, because market sweep the liquidity is here. So once market sweep the previous high or low, we always looking for the sell, because this is an indication that market actually looking for pullback. Okay, possibly till this low. Okay, because taking out the inducement, then possibly go higher and then close above it. So this become our break off structure. So let's see why this pullback is not work here in a lower time frame, and how we can take decision. If everything is fit, we can sell, otherwise no. Okay, So what happened here? Sweep the high. Okay, which is great. And actually change of character is here. Okay, so at this point, there is, after check, what you should hear. You have to sell here, or you should wait for the confirmation in this point. If you are agree here, then type Y. If no, then annotate no, N. Everyone. Okay, no. You can use annotate tool and mark here on the chart. At the current present position, we should sell here or not? If yes, then why? If not, then why? Okay, no. Okay. Anybody can give explanation why this cell is not valid in a comment section? I mean chat section. Liquidity. Okay, correct. Inducement. I think inducement was not taken. Perfect. That's true. Actually, before the buy or sell, you have to wait for the taken out the inducement. And once market taken out the inducement, we can sell and we can take risk, for example, here, and then we can take risk for the sell. And it's not necessary tap on this order block, but market taken out the inducement, give any indication here for the sell, we can here sell. Okay. So in this case, there is a no liquidity sweep, there is a no inducement, then we have to wait, you have to wait for the confirmation for the sell. Okay, let's see. Okay, so after this choke, okay, market did not create any inducement, not liquidity, then what is current area of interest when we can sell at this time? Mark the everyone. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, that's great. Obviously, both zone is a valid because the first one is here as you mentioned here, because this zone is after the inducement. Okay, and second thing is here, if you can see at this point, market, I'm sorry, what happened? Market taken out the previous high. Okay, and this is the area where we can take a risk for the sell. Why? Because this one is your inducement, correct? And this one is your inducement, we can sell here. And at this time, this is your high probability zone for the sell. This one is not. Why? Because market taken out the liquidity at this point. Okay, if market did not grab the liquidity, then we can sell at this point. Okay, so in this case, we can set limit order here and put this stop loss just of it. And our target is here because we are playing a counter trend, correct? So this is your short-term target, because higher time frame bullish just sweep the liquidity, which is the first indication for the reversal. But market give opportunity here to enter. Okay, if market mitigate this zone, then we can sell. Okay, if not, then you have to wait for the confirmation. Let's see what happen next. Okay, so as you can see here, market keep little bit reaction at this point. Okay, and minor, I think not tap completely by micro pips. Okay, but this zone is high probability zone for the sell because market taken out the liquidity, correct, and push downside. And after after enter this position, when we can put your stop loss on a break even. Okay. Mhm. Correct. When market taking out the recent structure, then we can switch your stop loss on a break even. And in this case, if market mitigate this zone, okay, entry is here, and then market taken out the first low, we can switch our stop loss on a break even. And because we are trading counter trend, okay, so in a counter trend, there is a no guarantee that market actually can go lower because we have only one confirmation because market sweep the M15 major high. Okay, so in a single confirmation, we can't hold trade for the longer term. We can quick sell. Okay, because majority is here for the buy because higher time frame is a bullish. And if market tap in your PY in a 15 minute, then we can buy for the longer term, at least M15 major high and M15 major low. Okay, because you are following the major structure and major. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Correct. So this entry on your break even. Let's see what happened next here. So at this point, do you want to sell here or not? Okay. Yes, absolutely. We can't sell here because there is a no inducement. And if market did not break this low, okay, and market go high, little bit higher, then we can sell here. Okay, but when market taken out this low, we can't sell here. We need inducement. And if market did not taken out this low and push little bit downside and then go higher, and this is your single candle mitigation entry, and we can sell. I mean, we can add more position here for the sell. Okay, so right now this is a not a good area for the scaling, correct? So let's see what happened next here. Okay, so what is this? Why this reaction is happen here and then market push higher? Exactly, a smart money trap. Correct. Because this one is smart money trap. Break the structure, looking for sell, put the stop loss just above it, market give reaction and push higher. And this is a smart money trap. Correct? Okay. And now let's see what happened next. Okay. Market break the major structure and close above it, I think in a 15 minute. Okay. So this sweep the high, convert into a break of structure. Okay. And now this is our break of structure. And after this break of structure, when we can buy? Here, this is order block, or this one, or this one. Which one? Why not on this order block? What is this? Correct. Obviously, this is a smart money trap. There is no inducement still. If market give any inducement like this, so we can interested here for the buy. If there is a no inducement, we can't buy here. And some people do same thing, same mistake in a smart money concept. They are looking here for buy because this is a fresh order block, proper imbalance, healthy bullish candlestick, and they anticipating price tap here and they are looking for buy. And everyone buying here, putting the stop loss just below it. And this is a create liquidity, and below it, lot of stop loss. And we are buying below it. Okay, after taking out this low, we can buy. Okay, so we should wait for the taken out this low, then we can buy. So let's see what happened here. Okay, some little bit reaction here at this point. Why? Because a lot of people are buying here. Okay, and then what happened? This demand has been failed. It's a smart money demand. Okay, which one is a failed? Why? Because everyone buying here and putting the stop loss just below it, and market collect all stop loss, and we can take risk here. Why? Because this is a first inducement, market break the structure and extreme, and we can buy taken out the inducement and taken out the extreme. This one is an engineering liquidity because this one is an actual low is here. Correct. So this one is our engineering liquidity, and this one is your inducement. Yeah. Correct. So we can buy here and we can buy here. These two PY is a valid for the buy. This is not work for you because this order block act like also smart money. And sometime what happened, market fail this inducement, means this demand zone, and then give reaction at this point, and then again. And this thing happen most of the time in a smart money concept. And when market give a reaction at this point, we can sell our bid. Okay. So right now is here. We can sell at this point if this inducement failed, and target is this engineering liquidity. If market actually tap on this zone and then switch into lower time frame, we can buy here. This two zone is a valid for the buy. Okay, between this zone there is a no matter. These are all smart money trap, and this is not high probability zone. Okay, only inducement and engineering liquidity is high probability zone for the buy or sell. Correct. So now let's see. Let's see. Let's see at this point in a 1 minute. Okay, so in this case, you can see this is our minor structure in a 1 minute like this. And one more thing you have to understand on the during PY zone in a supply and demand zone, minor structure also count as a big like if market break the structure, like chalk. So market taken out the high or low, simply big. So we can consider as a chalk, because we are looking for buy like in a aggressive in a lower time frame. At this point, you have to take a decision aggressively, like market go higher and sweep this high. So this can be also a valid chalk. If close above it, so this one is also fine. But you need taken out the liquidity before the buy, okay? Or sweep the liquidity like this. So this is also good buy. So let's see what happened next after this. So this one is a recent which actually broke this law, and this one is your change of character. So in this case, where you can buy here, because this one is your chalk, buy or not, what you can expect here. Okay. So where we should have a stop loss in EM15 example. Actually, in M15, if you are taking a trade as per the M15, then you have to set the target as per the M15 structure. And if you are looking the lower time frame entry, then you can set as per the M1 structure. But after taking out the engineering liquidity, after taking out the inducement, you have to wait for the some mitigation order block, and or taking out the inducement, just sweep the high or low, then you can also buy, but it's depend on the structure, different. Okay. Okay. So in this case, you can see here chalk, and this is your structure like this, correct? So in this case, this become your first inducement, and this zone is also valid for the buy if market did not sweep this low, okay, and close, just simply go higher. So this area become our more high probability. In this case, both zone taken out the liquidity. So we would like to take this one on the extreme, okay, in this case. So this low is here, okay, and this one is here. This is a demand zone when we can take a risk for the buy and put the stop loss just below it, correct? So, and where is our target? M15, correct, M15 high, because we are trading the pro trend, okay, major trend. So you have to set your target the major high or low. So in this case, you have to set your target is here, this one, and this one is your main target, and the first where is here, okay, and you can take little bit partial at this high, okay, because sometime what happen here, here market go higher and taking out this high, and then looking for sell, because we are trading on the inducement zone, because it's still extreme zone also unmitigated, okay. So maybe price go downside, and then we can sell till extreme zone, okay. When market tap on extreme, then we can again buy. So when market tap on this buy, we can take a little bit partial here, okay. So let's see. Okay, so this entry is a tap here, And the second entry, when we can take a second entry at this point. Correct. Because this one is our single candle mitigation based entry. If market push downside and mitigate this zone, we can again take entry for the buy. Why? Reason is a simple, because this one is our single candle based order block. Okay, as I mentioned in ebook that how you can take a single candle mitigation based entry, because it's taken out the liquidity and close above it. Okay, if market push downside, then mitigate, we can buy. Okay, let's see. Okay, there is no tap here, but still this entry is a valid. Okay, let's see what happened next. Okay, so this entry is still valid. Why? Because this actually, yeah, this law act like inducement, and this can be tapped in the future and then go higher. Okay, so let's see what happened next here. There is no confirmation. Break even, correct. After taking out this high, we can switch our stop loss on break even, of course. Okay, so this entry is not valid anymore. And now when we can buy here, we can buy below it. Okay, break even. Break even point actually break the recent structure. Okay, so in this case, tap this high, and this is our recent structure, but we can't, because in this case you can see on the next entry is on same point. Okay, so you have to wait to develop more price action. If you are break this high and you are set your stop loss and break even, then what happened? Market tap on this demand zone, I mean this PY, sorry, out candlestick, then again buy, but your entry, first entry, hit the break even. Okay, so don't do hurry at this point. You have to wait for some price develop. Okay, then price go higher, this is an inducement, and we can buy here. If market actually push downside, we can buy at this point. If not, then that is fine. We can take little bit partial at this point. Measure is here, first entry is activated here. Let's see what happened next here. Okay, so we can take partial at this point. Okay, so look at this point. Market sweep the previous low, which one is here. So this entire candle act like a order block, but we can't because this is a very larger in a size. Okay, but same thing apply in a like this candle stick is a lower, I mean middle, like in a size like this one. Okay, so we can take, but this is a larger candlestick, and if you are buying here, then your stop loss is very larger. Okay, which is not good. But let's see. And why this entry is valid? Because it's taken out the liquidity. In this case, you don't need to wait for the inducement. Correct. So let's see. Okay, market tap on this and go higher. Correct. Okay, all right, so meet our target point. Second entry is not mitigated here. First entry mitigated 17 hour, which is very good. All right, so first entry is a break even, second entry gave you a profit. Okay, and these things happen different on a POI zone, and you can some backtest on POI zone, especially. Okay, when market give a reaction and why POI failed and switch into lower time frame, then you can see what is the reason. Okay, when you start backtesting yourself, then you can understand more better compared to with me. Okay, if I'm showing you anything is here which will actually help you, but same thing you are doing with you are practice backtesting with yourself, then you can understand and learn more better. Correct. All right. So if there is any other question.
सर
Yeah.
लास्ट में जो चोच हुआ उसका तो बॉडी क्लोज नहीं हुआ ना, तो वीक पे कैसे हम कंसिडर कर सकते हैं कि ये चोच सही है?
Hmm. Uh, as I mentioned in a video also, that when market tap on PY zone, okay, here. So this can be also used as a chop. Okay, if same thing apply here in a randomly like in a structure, so we can't because we use as a liquidity sweep. Okay, but when market tap on the PY zone in a bullish market or bearish market, and market just sweep the high or low, we count as a chop. Okay, because we need take a decision aggressively. Because if you are betting here to complete chop, but actual structure, if you are marking waiting for chop, like here, this one is a come and push downside, and price did not come back here, and you missed this trade. And same thing, lot of this thing happen most of the time on PY zone, correct? So when market tap on the zone and give a reaction in a downside, okay, like there is any there is no example here. Here we can mark this one. This is not PI, but I'm giving you like this one. Okay, so for example, there is a demand something in a left side, and market simply break this minor structure is here. So we can consider this is a valid chop. Why? Because market tap on your higher time frame POI, and you can take a decision for the buy. Correct. You don't need to wait for the candle closer. Okay. When market taken out this high and close, I mean, this is an indication, because these things happen in a lower time frame, like in a seconds time frame, possible in a 30-second, 50-second is a valid chop. Okay, but we don't use seconds time frame. Okay, and I don't think you don't need to go in a seconds time frame. So generally, when market tap on the zone, POI zone, you can take this type of chop as a confirmation chop. Okay, so
ओके सर।
mhm. So there is any other question if anybody asks?
Mr.
Yeah.
If the price cross above the 15-minute high like a boss, can we still see as like entry type 2, waiting for a low time frame and structures shift and sell or buy in counter trend?
Yeah, when market break the structure in a M15, then you can apply M15. You can apply same concept, anti-type 3, sorry, anti-type 2. Okay, which is actually work like this. here. This one is your boss, correct? And first is a sweep here, and you can apply here anti-type 3 because market sweep the high in a 15-minute. Okay. At this point, you can apply anti-type 2, sorry, 3. And when price close above it, so this is an indication that market actually looking for the pullback, and we can sell for the counter trend, okay, till this zone. This is the first inducement, and we can sell till this zone. And you have to follow the some criteria like this. This is a 1 minute structure. And then what happened? Market taken out the first high and push downside, we can sell here in a 1 minute. And this is a little bit risky also. Why? And because we are looking for the sell in a counter trend. Okay, but this thing actually work. Okay, if everything fit as per your plan, we can sell. Look at this point here. Break the structure is here, and now you can see here at this point, break the structure, and then what happened? Finally, market break the structure is here. Okay, and after break the structure, market taken out this high like this, correct? So this taken out this high, and on this order block, we can sell at this point and till this low. Okay, so this is anti-type 2, but it's a little bit difficult, maybe difficult for the who's joined recently in a last week and last few days ago. So I will suggest you don't try to catch the counter trend. Okay, but it's take some time to catch these type of move. Start the following the to catch a major trend. Okay, follow the main PY in a 15-minute and then wait for the lower time frame confirmation and then sell. If you are playing with a continuation in a bullish market or bearish market, then you will get high probability setup and wait for the mitigation your PY zone and wait for the always quality setup. Okay, you don't need to take a 3, 4, 5, 6 trade. Okay, if you can take 2 trades in a day, 1 trades in a day, but actual quality trades, which is very enough for you. Okay, number of trades is not means that you can make a lot of money. No, you can make more money if you can manage your one position. You can take 1 quality trades. Okay, so if there is any other question, you can ask me. If not, then I think okay, I think we should stop the recording, and I will upload it as soon as possible.